Welcome to TALLSEN. We are an influensive furniture hardware manufacturer. Let's speak about our support materials. If you are interested in becoming our distributor, a full brand image support system is needed. To ensure a successful and mutually beneficial partnership, we will provide you with the following materials. Any customer that has established a distribution partnership with TALLSEN will receive from us a distribution authorization certificate. Further, we will provide market protection and service maintenance. Last but not least, you will also receive from us our German trademark registration certificate and a table flag. We help our distributors to offer a better product experience to their local customers. We offer a set of hinge openings and closing plates, a set of product display panels, a set of portable double-layer display boxes, as well as TALLSEN uniform clothing and product catalogs to help distributors better showcase our products and their features to local customers. At the same time, efforts will be made to expand our brand presence in local markets and assist distributors in quickly establishing their market presence. We help our distributors with marketing materials in accordance with our brand image and to show the value of our products to local customers. Should you be interested in our products, in our company and in our corporate culture, feel free to visit our website or inquire with us about more information or order samples.